to get your class ready to use Gizmos, the first thing you need to do is create your classes and add the students from the database into your classes. So once you've logged into Explore Learning, you're going to click on the option here that says Manage Students before you actually go into Gizmos. So once you're here, you're going to be creating your classes if you haven't done so already. So I have a couple of classes here. You could click Add a Class and create your new class. And if you have any co-teachers that you want to add, you can do that here as well. So I'm going to add my class. Once I have my class, then you're going to click the button that says Add Students from School Roster. And you will see all the students that are associated with your school. You won't see many here from mine because I'm in a different school. I'm in Limerick Public Schools and not a specific school. So you're going to look for all of the students and you're going to put them into your class. So now that they're in my class, you can see here I have my student. Now when you first add your students for the first time, if they haven't used Explore Learning before, this little Gizmos icon is going to be grayed out. And what that means is their access is not enabled. So unfortunately, what you do have to do is enable access for each student individually, one at a time, by clicking on that icon and then making sure that the access is enabled. So you will switch it from disabled to enabled. And then you will do that for each one. I'm not sure why you can't do it for everybody all at once, but that's the way they have created it. So once you have all of your students in the class, what you can then do is click on this print option, and the system will automatically create passwords for them. So you're going to want to print out these two things or save these two things. So when you go over to student login cards, you can see here each one of the students, you can give them a cutout of this information. So it tells them the website to go to, what the username is. They will likely be logging in with your username. And then over here, they're going to be given an individual password. So that's for them. So you can print those out, cut them out, and give them to the students, have them take a picture of it with their phone so they don't lose it. The other thing that you're going to want to keep for your own records, just in case students do lose their login cards, is a class roster. You can again either save this or print this, and this will give you a list of all of your students along with their passwords. So if any student needs it to get back into Gizmos, you can provide it for them. So once you have all of your students in your class and you have enabled their access, then you can go back over to the little home page of Explore Learning by clicking this icon, clicking on Gizmos, and then you can search the Gizmos database for whichever Gizmos you're looking for, and you can then assign it to your classes.